C++ data types. There are three main data types, which are built-in data, derived data type, user-defined data types. These three main data types are further divided in different data types. Built-in data types are int, char, float, double, void. Derived data types are array, function, pointer, reference. User-defined data are structure, union, class, enumeration. But for now we will discuss only the built-in data type. We discuss the other two when we reach to that level. So what is built-in data type? Built-in data type are also known as predefined data type and can be used directly by the user to declare variables. Now int. Int is the short form of integer and it is the data type which can hold the whole number. After that we have char. The abbreviation char is used as a reserved keyword in a number of programming languages such as C, C++, C#, and Java. Char is short form for character, which is a data type that holds one character of data. Float. Float is a shortened term for floating point. By definition, it is a fundamental data type built into the compiler that used to define numeric values with floating decimal points. Float can hold the 6 digits. Then double is a fundamental data type also built into the compiler and used to define numeric variables holding numbers with decimal points. A double type can represent fractional as well as whole values. Double data type hold up to 15 digits. At the end we have the fifth one, data type, which is void, but for now we were not going to discuss that. We will discuss the void in the functions, that how to take void return types, and we will use this void in functions. But for now we will try to understand these data types through some examples. So the first one we have is int. We write int a equal 10 semicolon. Now we want to display this number. For that we need a function which is cout, and we write a semicolon. So the number, as we written over here 10, is stored in a variable a, so that's why we write over here with the cout a. Now let's check the number, that it can be displayed or not. So the 10 is displayed. Now if I write over here a decimal point with 10, so 0.1, I write 0.1, and now I want to check this. So only 10 is displayed, there is no decimal point. It means that int can hold only whole numbers, it cannot hold the decimal numbers. For that we will use float. Now we have character, char. A is equal to a character which is y. Now I want to display this character, so click on the icon. So it has displayed the same character which we have right over here. As we can see over here, this icon, the third one, when we click on this, it can compile the program as well as it run the program for us. Now if I increase the number of characters, so what will happen? If I write p and k with y, and then I check this program to run. So it display only K. That's why the car can contain only one character, so it will display only one character. Now we have the float. Float A is equal to 2.5. Now just check it. So 2.5. As I said, that float can hold 6 digits, so we increase the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are total 6 digits. Now compile and run this program. Now it have displayed the same result. So now we have the other type of data, which is double. Now we are going to increase a one number more for the double and just check it that double can hold this number or not. So in this we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So there is a number which is missing. So 5 is missing. It means that this program is a rounding of this number. Like when we have a number 8.8. So when we round off this number, so it will become 9. So like this, it is rounding of the numbers. If you want to display the same number as you've written over here, for that we have to write the header file include IO manipulator, and just write over here set precision, and just write the numbers inside the brackets, that how many numbers you are using. So we are using the numbers, and that is 7. Now just compile and run the program. So we have the result which we want. Now if I increase the numbers like 7, 8, 9, so I have to also increase this number. So we have 10 numbers over here to display. So it is displaying all of the numbers. Thanks for watching.